Hey everybody, Max Knowles, Livestock Extension Agent in Sampson County.
Amanda Hatcher, Extension Agent for Livestock in Duplin. When we need to take a lagoon sample, we need a few tools to have at our disposal. We're going to need a pole with a bottle to capture the lagoon sample. We're going to need a clean plastic bucket to put all of our sub-samples in as we go around the lagoon.
So when you're getting your sample, you want to make sure that you get off the actual bank itself. We suggest between 6 feet or so. You want to make sure that when you're getting the sample, you want to kind of get it down in the water so you're not catching any floating debris. We suggest to folks to get at least 8 to 10 samples from around the lagoon. The point being, we want to get a representative sample of the whole lagoon itself.
You want to really capture your sample about 18 inches below the surface of the lagoon, because what you're trying to also do is collect a representative sample.
And one thing to think about, that this is a routine thing that we do at the farm. These lagoon water samples themselves, they're good for 60 days in the future. In the past, we have to have an up-to-date sample for our record keeping. So any irrigation event that we do, we have to have an up-to-date lagoon sample.
So after you have taken all your sub-samples around your lagoon with your sampler, you'll put it in that clean plastic bucket, mix up your samples all together, and then pour it into the bottle that you're taking to the lab to get sampled.
Yep, and we want to make sure to take our samples to an accredited laboratory here in North Carolina, NCDA Agronomic Lab, and then there's also Waters Lab in Warsaw, North Carolina.
And it's really important when you do pour your sample in your sample bottle that you're taking to the lab that you leave some headspace in that bottle, because you do have gas buildup that can occur in that bottle. So you do want to make sure that you don't fill it all the way to the top and you leave space for air.
And one small suggestion to you, a lot of times people will take samples, they'll fill out the sample form correctly, but they don't label the bottle. So you want to make sure just to understand that these labs are getting a lot of samples. You do everything right, you take the sample, you get it to the lab, but if you don't label that bottle, there's a chance that your sample will be lost. So just one word of suggestion.